In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue if you're not receiving your verification code. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. If you're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, or any other platform and you're not getting the verification code sent to your device, I'll walk you through some steps to fix that. First, let's go into Settings on your iPhone. Check iMessage settings. Scroll down and tap on Messages. Toggle off iMessage, wait about 10 seconds, and then toggle it back on. This can help reset iMessage if there's an issue. Make sure Send as SMS is turned on. This ensures you can receive verification codes as regular text messages if iMessage isn't working. Filter Unknown Senders. Scroll down and make sure Filter Unknown Senders is turned off. If it's on, it might filter out the verification code messages. Tap on Blocked Contacts and check if any numbers that might send verification codes are blocked. Verification codes often come from short numbers, so unblock any that look suspicious. Do Not Disturb. Swipe down from the top right to open the Control Center and make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off. If it's on, it might silence incoming text messages. Restart your phone. Hold down the volume up and power button, then slide to power off. Restarting your phone can help reset the settings and solve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to receive verification code text messages and get back into your accounts. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.